in module 2, we are going to study evaporation, evapotranspiration and infiltration. In module 2, we are going to study the hydrological components, that is evaporation, evapotranspiration and infiltration. What do you mean by this? Let us see what do you mean by evaporation and evapotranspiration. Okay, first let us see the evaporation. You just assume the presence of the water bodies. The water bodies may be the large water bodies, that is we call it as deep water bodies, or small water bodies. Whichever it might be. Large water body, deep water body in the sense whether it might be the ocean, the small water body in the sense whether it might be the ponds or lakes or might be the rivers. Okay. Here what happens when this water is in the form of liquid. It is in the form of liquid. This water will be converted into vapors. The water which is converted into vapor, this is called as gaseous state. How it is going to convert? We all know that we receive the temperature from sun. We receive the temperature from the sun. It will penetrate downward to the surface of the water bodies, because due to the temperature present, when the temperature falls down to the water bodies, automatically this liquid converts to gaseous state, that is in the vapors. Okay. The meaning of evaporation is nothing but the water that is in the form of liquid converts to vapors, that is in the gaseous form, in the presence of the temperature, is known as evaporation. Evaporation, the water is converted to the gaseous state. The water is converted to gaseous state, wherefore in the presence of the temperature is known as evaporation. Then what do you mean by evapotranspiration? What do you mean by evapotranspiration? Evapotranspiration is nothing but, see, there is a presence of the plants or leaves. Okay, there will be a presence of the plants or the leaves. We all know that the plants and the leaves contains water. The plants and the leaves contains water. When this water escapes as a vapor, here when it is escapes as a vapor, that is in the gaseous state. Again, that is with respect to the temperature is called as the evapotranspiration. In the evapotranspiration, what happens? The temperature falls down to the plants or the leaves. The content of the water escapes as the gaseous states. The agent is the temperature. The temperature falls down to the vegetative cover, and in that vegetative cover the water gets evaporated, the what contents with respect to the gaseous state is called as the evapotranspiration. The difference between the evaporation and the evapotranspiration is the evaporation process which takes place under the presence of surface waters, but the evapotranspiration, the process which happens, that is in the place of vegetation, whether it is a plant body or the leaves. Thank you.